Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag and stutters here on PUBG, especially if you have a low-end PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the game, then go to settings, okay? Click on settings. Under here, basic, make sure in display mode, at least try the full screen, okay? Full screen, also try to lower your resolution, okay? That will help. Also, highlights auto capture, disable this one, hit on apply. Go to advanced. In here, make sure that all of these settings are turned off, okay? Also, in DirectX version, just go ahead and use the normal DirectX, okay? Hit on apply, and once done, check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and close the game. Right click on a blank space right here on your screen. Click on display settings, okay? Scroll down and click on graphics. Now in here, make sure that optimizations for windowed games is turned on. Also advanced graphics settings, click on it and turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, okay? And this list, make sure that PUBG is here, okay? If you can see TSL game, click on the drop down and then make sure that GPU preference is set to high performance, okay? If you can't see it, go ahead and click on add desktop app, go to drive C, program files x86, Steam apps. If you're using it, if you're playing it from Epic Games, just gotta locate the directory, okay? Again, common, PUBG, TSL game, binaries, Win64. Here you have it, okay? Just click on add. Once that's done, go ahead and check it out if it helps. Okay, now for your network, or if you have high ping issues, you can do these steps. So first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. Once this one opens, go ahead and type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Hit enter, type in ipconfig /release. Okay, enter ipconfig /renew. Hit enter, now go ahead and type in netsh winsock reset. Hit enter. netsh int ip reset. And just hit on enter. Once done, type in exit. Go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your search bar once more. Type in control panel. Click on it. Now at the top right, make sure that you are under large icons, okay? Click on Network and Sharing Center. Now go to the left panel and click on Change Adapter Settings. Now in here, just go ahead and open up or double click the network that you're currently using, okay? Double click, click on Properties, locate TCP IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Just click on it and hit on Properties. In here, make sure that you click on Use the following DNS server addresses, okay? Preferred DNS server is 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4. And once that's done, just hit on OK. Close, close, close. Now go ahead and launch the game once more and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.